Soups are easy to make and really good for winter days. And I'm going to show you how to do potato and broccoli soup. For this recipe, I'm using about 500 grams potatoes. I'm using 2 large potatoes, then 2 heads broccoli. When you clean the broccoli, take the florets out, and the stem you can clean it and put it into the potatoes when you cook, or you can steam it separately for another meal. 500 milliliters fresh milk. You can use either low fat or full cream. I'm using full cream milk. And 1 liter water, 2 small onions chopped, few cloves of garlic chopped, and 20 grams butter, enough salt and pepper to your taste, and about 2 teaspoons stock powder. Instead of stock powder, you can use 1 liter of stock water. I'm using vegetable stock. So let's start. This is a really simple and easy recipe. Into a pot, add the butter, and into that add the garlic. Cook the garlic in the butter about a minute. Once it starts releasing the aroma, add the onions. And cook the onion and the garlic together about another minute. Once the onions are translucent, add the flour. Then cook the flour in that butter and reduce heat to very low or take it out. Then add the cold water. Add the water while stirring. Into that add the salt and the pepper and the potatoes. Now add 2 teaspoons of stock powder, now cover and cook until the potatoes are tender. I was cooking this soup about 30 minutes on a very low heat. Now going to add the milk and mix. Bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, add the broccoli and cook the broccoli and the potato about 1 minute. Don't overcook the broccoli. Once the broccoli becomes tender, it's ready to serve. So this is a really nice, simple, creamy soup that you can serve on a winter night or as a main meal with a crusty bread on the side. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.